Hey everyone, Richard at apocalypse1.com, and today we're going to talk a little bit about these handcuffs and a pen. Stick around. Okay, so these are just regular Smith & Wesson handcuffs. These are used by law enforcement everywhere, and they're on our site, so you can pick them up there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them on, and we're going to test out this pen here. This is the UZI tactical black pen. It's got a glass breaker here, and it's used for like fighting, like Kubotan. And it's a great pen. It really writes really nice. However, in the top, we have a handcuff key, and we're going to check it out and see how well it works. So here we go. I hope it works because I don't have a key. So take out the pen. So we're just going to stick this into the keyhole, just like so. Give it a little twist. There you go. That's an UZI black tactical pen and Smith & Wesson handcuffs. Both of them are available on the site. Thanks for watching.